Hey everyone and welcome. This channel is all about drawing mandalas. I work mostly in traditional mediums like markers and pencils. On my YouTube channel you will find time lapses, process videos, beginner tutorials, art supply reviews, tips and tricks and many more such things. Please feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comment section. I hope you will come along and create art with me. So if you like to create art with me and join me in my art journey, be sure to subscribe so you can see new videos as they come out and hit the notification bell. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook or Pinterest because I post a lot of work in progress and pictures of my art there. And if you're interested in supporting my work, I have an art store where you can purchase prints. So thank you for watching and for listening. I hope to see you again in upcoming videos.